Hey, so welcome back guys, and here you are watching Pragyan Techno Gaming channel, and here I am back with my new video. And guys, so today I will tell you about the best free video editing software which we always use to edit our videos many times for entertainment. Guys, I am one of them who just edit videos for entertainment and also for YouTube career options. We want editing, and many of us want it for office presentation. We want that our text should come at the right time whenever we are explaining a topic. So without wasting your time, as the time is precious, I am going to tell you the best free video editing software, and the name of the software is, looks like you are familiar with the logo. If not, then it is the Hitfilm. Yes, it's the Hitfilm Express 2017. So this is a professional video editing software with all the features, just like chroma key and all, and anyone can use it legally. So this is quite nice, and in this video I will only tell you how to download this software in your device. Link is down in the description box for downloading the software, so check it out. But before downloading, I would like you to tell about the Hitfilm Pro. The company of Hitfim Limited gives us two software, one is free and the one is paid. So guys, here it is the logo of Hitfilm Pro. So here you can see it. It's a better version than the Express, and it costs $350 to $360 for lifetime purchase. And if you can also download this software for more advanced video editing level, if you are on a more advanced level. So now I will take you to my device to tell you how to download this software for free. So here you are watching Pragyan Techno Gaming channel, and I am Pragyan. So let's get started. Device. So first of all, come to the link which I have given you in the description box. You can see it right here, the hitfilm.com/express. You have to come to this website. So after coming here, you can see, first of all, now you can see let's do this button. Now click it. So okay, so after this a page will appear. You can see it, and don't see anything here, just directly click get Hitfilm Express free. So guys, here you can see that here it is. Now you have here two options. If you are already having an account on Hitfilm, then create one, and then you will be redirected to a page. And if not, then go to the sign in option here. Okay, so go to the sign in option here and type your email and password. And guys, but if you are new, then it will redirect you to a page. First of all, if you are new, if you are creating a new account, then it will not take you directly to this page. First of all, it will take you to one page, and then after that, whichever email ID you have entered for your account, and a download link will be sent on that. So you have to download that first. So that is quite simple. Just to go to your mail account and click the link, and then you are having your this page here, which you can see. Now here there are two things which I would like you to see on this page. First of all, first there are two buttons. One is download for Windows and one is download for Mac. So just do this and that's okay. Now you have to press to download for window option, and now it will be downloaded for you. And guys, you also have to activate this. You also have to activate this software. So first of all, let it yes, now you can see the file is of 275 MB. Just download this, and after downloading, guys, I have already this software on my PC, so I don't want to download it. So after downloading, you will open the software and then it will ask for your email ID and your address. Don't worry, after seeing that it is completely free. It won't ask if you for even a single dollar or rupee. Just enter your email address and password which you have on the account which you have made. So just put that, and then it will validate to the Hitfilm website, and if the password is right, then your software is activated, guys. Okay, so now you can use this software absolutely for free as a lifetime option. So guys, this was how to download this software on your device. And this, please, before going, first of all, I would like you to check all its system requirements, guys. Whosoever are using this, they will require a graphic card. They will require a graphic card. So here you have some graphic cards here, some names of graphic card. You require this for very smooth video editing, so that is why I will recommend you to use this. So guys, I hope so that you like this video. So if you like it, then be sure to smash down the like button below, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more support and more interesting videos. And guys, this is the world's best free video editing software, but also very complicated. I will bring a tutorial for you in which I will be telling you how to edit your videos with this software. So we will meet in our next video very soon. So bye guys.